this Christmas, and as we trim the tree, how much fun it's gonna be together. We getting ready, this Christmas, the fireside is blazing bright. We can't believe through the night.
Hey peeps, I am back with another video. This time it is going to be an empties video slash kind of a review of the item. So you already know, let's get into it. The first item that is gone is my Neutrogena wipes, the Hydra Boost. Those are the ones that I prefer, but I have used all of the Neutrogena wipes and I like them. So this is just my first line of defense for taking my makeup off. Typically I would do a full skincare routine, but this is just gonna get the first layer off. And if you are having a late night, you done got into some shenanigans, you know you lit, you just need to get into the bed, having these wipes, wipe off your face, go to sleep, get up, do the rest of your skincare. You need these. Like, you need these just to get that first layer off, especially if you are having a late night. So I absolutely love these wipes and I swear by them, and I'm always going to use them forever and always, like, period. This next item I fell in love with, and I have been meaning to re-up on this for so long, and it's so affordable. It is a Trader Joe's purchase. Trader Joe's will never let you down. It's the Brazil Nut Body Butter. Like, it smells so good. Oh, I miss using this. Like, I use this up. Like, I should have got 3 at a time in the first place, and I don't even know if this is like a continuous product that they just always are gonna have. I literally always have forgot to look for it when I've gone back into Trader Joe's, because I got it like on the tail end of it going viral on TikTok. So they just had a whole little shrine of them pretty much. So I love this. It smells so good. It's like on the vanilla coconut type of side. I don't even know if it tells you. It says acai and guarana extracts, a delightful salted caramel and pistachio scent. Yeah, I said like coconutty, vanilla-y. So yeah, like salted caramel and pistachio scent. Definitely makes sense. Definitely makes sense. I love this so much. If you have not tried this, girl, what are you doing? What are you doing? Like, get into it. So I put this item on my birthday list. Yes, the TheraBreath Dentist Formulated Fresh Breath Oil Rinse. So I got this it was just for travel pretty much, but I love this stuff. It really makes sure breath just feel fresh and clean. And my nephew really liked it when I watched him as well. So I've been meaning to get him some, and I need to get myself some because so far nobody got me that for my birthday. And it's just, it is high price. It is high price. So that's the reason why it's, you know, taking a little while to get another one. But it is worth it, I would say. So I really like this. You can get this at Target. That's the only place I know, but I'm pretty sure you can get it anywhere you want. But yeah, I really like this and I highly recommend it. The Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. I love this. I just love the way that it made my skin feel like when I woke up in the morning. So that is why I really like this. There is just a little bit left, like honestly, maybe only 2 uses left, but it's pretty much empty. And I did get the small one because this is also a pricey product, but I do think after using it, it is pricey for a reason. I also feel like when I was using this, my skin was the clearest. So I can't wait till I actually can re-up on this and actually get a bigger bottle. If you have used this, let me know what you feel like it has done for you. I don't think I've used it long enough to actually see a transformation of my skin necessarily, but it did keep my skin pretty clear in the little small dots that I get. I wasn't getting as much, and I used to just feel nice and supple and rejuvenated and fresh looking when I woke up in the morning when I used this during my nighttime routine. So I highly recommend this one as well. I have 3 scents that are empty because I love them that much. I was using this literally every day. This is the Coach Wild Rose. Yes, this is that girl. Absolutely love her. I just did a fragrance video for Vlogmas, so make sure you check that out. That was day 4. And then we have the YSL Mampari. A few squirts in here. It's pretty much empty, but it's about to be empty because I just got my new bottle, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep using this. This one is not empty only because I stopped using it, so I wouldn't run out until I got the next one. But I got the next one, so we about to use your girl. And then the Marc Jacobs Daisy Love, it's gone. it's gone. I got maybe one squirt in here. One squirt. Yeah, this is that girl. This is more of a warm date night sultry type of scent. I love this so much. Like, it's amazing. If you have not tried Marc Jacobs Daisy Love, you absolutely need to, especially if you like the warmer, deeper scents. And this isn't super deep, but it's still sweet, but it is deep enough where I think this could be something more light for the girls that like their deeper scents. Next, we have the Clinique Moisture Surge 100H Auto Replenish Hydration. So I use this all the way up. It is empty. Empty. Nothing is left. So I kept this in my travel bag as well, and I have used this in some tutorials like on TikTok or my more chit chat videos on TikTok where I'm doing my makeup, and I really like this. It was pretty good. I don't have anything negative to say about it, but I also don't have anything too positive. Like, it's not like it, to me, it's not like it did something super crazy. What I will say is it's not oily. So if you are a girl that does not like things that leave like this kind of oily residue film or just oiliness to them, this is not that. And I did feel moisturized. I would say that I have normal skin, maybe dry sometimes, but more normal than anything else. And this definitely made me feel moisturized. It worked well with me doing my makeup. So I would say, you know, try it out if you're looking for something to try. Also, for the dry girls, they do have another line that is like moisture rich. Or not another line, but they pretty much have what is called moisture rich. So if you need something with more moisture, and most of us do now that it's wintertime, I would definitely try that out as well. But if you are normal all the time, this is definitely going to be your girl. And then this sunscreen, Black Girl Sunscreen. Yes, this is the Little Mermaid edition, and I will never be throwing this away. I'm actually going to try to refill this with a regular bottle because I just had to. I just had to support the girl, Halle. I had to support my childhood core, Little Mermaid. Like, we love Little Mermaid. And then the fact that she was black and then had locks, like, it just don't get no better than that. And then the fact that they partner with Black Girl Sunscreen, honestly, absolutely bomb. Absolutely amazing marketing decision. Love that for them. And I love Black Girl Sunscreen. 30 broad spectrum SPF, water resistant for 80 minutes. I love Black Girl Sunscreen. I'm always going to support. I'm always going to buy this product. I be putting it on my nephew when he's with me and he's going out in the sun. Like, you see it's crushed up. Yeah, we use that, girl. Do not play about the sunscreen. Black people need sunscreen. Put your sunscreen on, please. It's going to help with the longevity of your skin, the youthfulness of your skin, and it's going to protect you against things like skin cancer. So protect yourself. I used up my fur oil, so I do use the fur products and I like them. I do think that it just may help you not be like dry down there and everything, but I love the way that it smells so good. They are pricey as well, so you know, that's a thing, but I do think that for the most part I feel like it worked for me. 3 months of Black Girl vitamins. Yes, I took every single last one. And I am not in bad health, so I do feel like I can't like really say, oh, it transformed my health or something like that. But what I can say is that I did feel good during the duration of me taking these. I do feel like maybe I wasn't as tired. I was a little bit more preppy, a little bit more pep in my step, you know. So I think I can say that I was just maybe just a little bit more alert, a little bit more ready to be on the go. So I definitely need to re-up on. So I definitely feel like Black Girl Vitamins did support my overall health, and I will be repurchasing. And hopefully next time I'm able to just get a year supply, so then I really can see and tell like, okay, it's really doing this big one. But also I was taking these and then I went to the doctor, got, you know, everything ran, my test ran, blood tested, all that, and I was perfectly fine except for being low in D3. So also I will one day get their D3 gummy vitamins. I also have these vitamins that I got, and I did a lot of research on them because so many people were like, this is just a money grab and those don't do anything, da, 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 da. But I did my own research, and unless y'all can provide some research that is actually substantial and, you know, has some actual, you know, common sense, scientific backing to it, then I'm going to keep using these because per my research that I did for like probably an hour or two worth of research and looking at multiple videos, articles, looking at the people who are backing this as far as the doctor, scientists, or whatever, these work. Like, it's just probiotics. Like, where can you go wrong? Pineapple and vitamin C with clinically studied probiotics. Like, people always talk about probiotics, like, where can you go wrong? Now, as this pertains to my actual vaginal health, I mean, I think that I was doing pretty good with these, but I also don't think anything was too crazy before. So I don't think that they did any harm. So it's just like, if I can get some extra probiotics, why not? So I like the taste of them, and I'm going to repurchase these as well. And hopefully I'll get these for longer so I can just get a better idea of what they are actually doing. And the last item in my empties is going to be this Got to Be spray. So I did use all of this spray, just putting on wigs, mostly putting on wigs, and sometimes I would use it as hairspray if I needed to in a pinch. But yeah, Got to Be is that girl. It do what it needs to do. Lay down a wig real quick and be able to take it off easily, or that night. Got to Be is that girl. So yeah, Got to Be is always going to be in my hair product list for sure. So that is the full video, guys. I hope you enjoyed my review of some of these empties. Let me know if you tried these, how you feel about them, how they worked out for you. Make sure you subscribe, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you do not miss an upload. Make sure you thumbs up. Yes, we need those thumbs ups. And share this video if you think someone else would enjoy it. Stick around for fashion, beauty, and lifestyle / vlogs. And we are on the road to 5K, so make sure you stay around if you are enjoying the videos, because there is a giveaway at 5K. And thank you all for watching. I will see you later. Peace. Hey peeps, I'm in my pajamas and all, but we are about to get into day 6 of the advent calendar puzzle. So let's get into it.
This Christmas, and every tree, how much fun it's gonna be together. This Christmas, by your side is blazing bright. We're caroling through the night. Every tree, how much fun